Hide your kids and hide your wives because everything is being stolen. Bowling Green, Kentucky Corvette plant has had thieves stealing Corvettes, of course, being arrested shortly after or during the theft. I do want to say and convey this message as strictly and as straightforward as I can. Please do not steal something. You have to earn something. If you want a Corvette, you can work for it. It's definitely an achievable car. If not the C8 generation, then the C7 used generation is always out there. These cars are obtainable. You just have to set your mind to it. Stealing a vehicle, breaking the law is definitely not the way to go if you want a new C8 Corvette or if you want a Corvette in general. It will not work out for you. I will guarantee you that in the long run. Anyways, a bit of sad news. I will be linking the articles below. The thieves were apprehended, so all is well. Please, again, do not steal a Corvette or anything. You will get caught. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. As for this one, that is it. Do like, share, and subscribe for the latest and the greatest Corvette news. Thank you all for watching. Again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.